3 hidden Samsung features you will never seen before. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Let's check out 3 awesome Samsung features together. First feature, you already know you can make calls the regular way. But there is a cooler trick. Go to Setting, scroll down to Display, scroll down to Edge Panel, and after that, taps on Panels, choose People. Now just pick your favorite contact. And after that, tap back. From your home screen, simply sweep and instantly call that person. Super quick and fun. Second feature, why stick with your boring wallpapers? Go to Setting, Wallpaper and Style. Tap on Change Wallpapers. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper Services. Tap on this icon, gear icon here. And after that, tap on, for example, Life. Go back and you can see wallpaper. Third feature, want your battery to last much longer? Go to Setting, and after that, go to Battery, tap on Battery Protection, and you can choose Basic, Adaptive or Maximum. These features helps keep your phone's battery healthy over time. I also have more videos about these tips if you are interested. Thanks a lot for watching. 2 more amazing videos are now showing on a screen. Make sure to check them out and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.